visualize it. I feel it's something to do. Visualize it. I feel it's something to do.
Guys, it's actually happening. We're by Atlantis, and you guys, Mako, it's going down. Look at this. The walls are up. We got Jack over here too.
What's going, man?
Hey.
Mako.
Mako, it's going down.
Like a week ago?
It finally, the confirmation, I think it was like 2 weeks ago, that we got the approval from the Coastal Commission, which is the last thing we needed. And guys, oh man, it's actually happening. Mako, B&M dive coaster. Oh my gosh, I'm so hyped. All right, we're up by the walls now, and it's so big. Look how big it is. Like, wow, I'm so excited. Nothing's really going down right now, but look at how big that is. It's such a big area. It's gonna be one heck of a dive coaster, you guys. And I'm so excited for it. You don't even know.
Oh yeah.
We're back with Mark.
Excited. It's gonna destroy Valraven.
Oh, I don't know about that one, but
Yes. Valraven's a piece of shit, bro.
Valraven's really good. But it's still gonna be a great dive coaster, no matter what. Dude. Jeez, bro. It's back by Eel and Journey to Atlantis. You're gonna take the education gate, which is over there. You can kind of see it. It's like, you can't even, hold on. That right there. You'll enter there. I swear, Mark is freaking stupid. So nice, but nothing's going on, so we're just gonna go back to the park probably. Thank you for watching this video. You know, that was such a sick voice crack. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.